Okay, now let F be an extension field over E and R naught be an element of F which does not belong to E. Now, then consider C, the collection of all those subfields K of F such that K is a subfield and E union singleton R naught is a subset of K. What does that mean is C is collection of all those subfields of F which contains every element of E as well as R naught. Now, clearly C is non-empty. That's because F itself is an element of C. As F itself is an element of C. So once we know that this collection C is or family C is non-empty, what we can do is we can consider intersection of elements of C. Call yeah, let's not give it a name as of now. So let's just keep calling it intersection of elements of C, and since all the elements of C are subfields, uh, intersection of elements of C is also a subfield of F. Each one is a subfield of F, so intersection of all of them will be a subfield of F. Now, this subfield contains every element of E. Why is that? Because each element of C contains every element of E, so each element of E is contained in intersection of elements of C, and R naught is also an element of intersection of elements of C. So intersection of elements of C is actually a subfield of F which contains every element of E together with R naught. That's pretty much clear. In fact, let some K be an element of C. I mean, let K be a subfield of F, some arbitrary subfield of F. Subfield of F such that K contains all the elements of E together with R naught. In that case, K has to be an element of C, right? So since K is an element of C, it turns out that intersection of elements of C is actually contained as a subset or a subfield in K. So basically what it means is intersection of elements of C is that subfield of F which is contained in every other subfield which contains all the elements of E together with R naught. So it is in that sense the smallest subfield of F containing every element of E together with R naught. Well, uh, for that reason, henceforth, we will be denoting intersection of elements of C by this following symbol. Well, usually it is called the subfield obtained, subfield of F. You should always specify the universal field. Subfield of F obtained by attaching R naught to E. Okay, so